Hi everyone, Miss Novello in the Expressive Arts Room, and today we're going to do a line drawing using the app Sketchbook Express. Alright, so we're going to open up this app, and this is what the menu looks like. On the bottom left hand side, you're going to hit the plus sign. Across the top is your toolbar. The main toolbars that we're going to be using today are the brush and the layers, which is on the upper right hand corner. So I'm going to go ahead and tap the brush. I'm going to use the pencil tool. I'm going to select black, and I'm going to do my line drawing. I'm going to do a heart. So there is a symmetry tool right here that I just clicked for symmetry. And if you wanted to do a non-symmetrical drawing, then you would simply choose the wavy line and select that wavy line for a freehand drawing. But a heart is symmetrical, so I'm going to use a symmetrical tool. So I'm tapping that. I'm going to go ahead and draw my heart. Oh, and that didn't work. Tap that again. Here we go. All right, so you can see what I'm drawing on the left side is mirrored on the right. Beautiful. All right, so now that I have my drawing, I'm going to unclick the symmetrical tool. Now I'm going to work with coloring. So I need my layers tool, which is on the upper right hand corner. So tapping the layers, I'm going to plus sign for a second layer. I'm going to put my finger on the 3 hot dog lines of my heart drawing and drag that up so that the blank gridded rectangle is on the bottom, and it should be highlighted. That ensures that whatever we color on this will not affect the drawing. All right, so now click out of that. I can use my 2 fingers to expand my heart so that I can get the color more accurate. I'm going to press the paintbrush and color. So then I'm going to choose the color that I want, and I'm going to use the square tool in the center of the circle to determine the base color. I can adjust the radius, the thickness of that line, or the opacity, how dark I want it or how translucent I want it. For coloring, I prefer the airbrush tool, so I'm going to highlight that now and click out of that and into my drawing. So I'm going to quick fill this, and I'm going to use several different colors. I'm not worried about going outside the lines because I can use the erase tool, but I do want to get this to look like a cool airbrush. So I'm going to choose several colors that I'm going to work into this heart before I refine it. I'm going to choose some white just for some highlights, and then I'm going to finish with my red. So I've got to find that red that I want. Well, let's move this up. There we go. All right, so now I'm going to finish this up and fill it the red that I want, keeping some of that other color that was in there. Okay, all right, and this is good enough for now. All right, so now for the erase tool, I'm going to tap on an eraser, and I'm going to erase what I need to erase to get the mistakes out. All right, and because this is on my layer tool, it's not erasing that black line. All right, so I think you get the picture. If I want to add text, and obviously you guys are going to do a better job, but I'm going to show you how to add text. I'm going to tap on these 3 dots, click text, and I'm going to type in the text that I want and choose the color that I want, and then I can place it by simply putting my 2 fingers and dragging it. I can expand it to make it bigger, straighten it however I want. All right, so when I'm done with that, I'm going to tap done, then I need to save. So on the upper right hand corner, I'm going to click done. I'm going to go to the 4 square grid on the upper left hand corner and tap that. I'm going to save it. Now in the selection, I need to highlight it by tapping on it and go to the bottom where there's a flower and an arrow shooting off to the right and save it to the photo library. I'm going to choose the orientation that I want, and it exports it to your photo library. All right, simple line drawing for your digital tattoo assignment. Thanks.